Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Ashutosh Mittal and today I am going to talk about my AI project on the topic big data. So let's proceed. To further understand big data, I am going to divide the topic into three main subtopics. First, what is big data? Second, what are some characteristics of big data? And third, what are some major applications of big data? So, first of all, what is big data? Big data refers to the data that cannot be practically fit into standard relational databases like Oracle, MS Access, etc. What are standard relational database? They are the database which contains data about a particular topic and the topics related to it. For example, flood. If you search for the data about flood, you will also get the data about how it is caused, how much destruction it creates, and many case studies around the world as they are related to one another. Its size is so large that the traditional database cannot be used for capturing, managing, and processing the data. What does traditional database refers to? It refers to the database of multi-million dollar companies like Apple, Samsung, Sony, etc. It contains the huge amount of data that is created by them continuously at any given point of time. So they are that huge that they cannot even be contained in traditional database. So basically big data is a huge amount of data that is practically impossible to fit into standard relational databases like Oracle, Access, and its magnitude is so huge that even traditional database cannot be used for capturing, managing and processing the data. And now we come to characteristics or feature of big data. Big data is being continuously created by humans and machines. Big data includes structured, semi-structured and unstructured data. Now all of you will be wondering what is structured, semi-structured and unstructured data. Basically there are different types of data. Structured data. It refers to the data that has a predefined data model and which is organized in a predefined way. For example, the train schedule of different trains. Unstructured data. This is the data that does not have any predefined structure and can take any form. For example, videos, audios, presentations, emails, documents, etc. Semi-structured data. This is the data whose structure is somewhere between structured and unstructured data. This data is not organized in a way which makes sense to the relational database, but it is nevertheless has some sort of markers and tags that helps to give an identifiable structure. Big data is collected from different sources. Big data can range in size from few terabytes to zettabytes. As we are moving towards the end of the topic, I want to talk about just one more thing about it. That is the some major applications of big data. First, product development. Companies like Netflix and Procter and Gamble use big data to anticipate customer demand. They build productive model for new product and services by classifying key attribute of past and current product and services and modeling the relation between those attributes and their upcoming product. This means that they developed a machine learning model which will predict that if the new product contains these key attributes from the previous product, then it will be a success as people liked that product. And in addition, P&G uses data from focus groups, social media, test markets, etc. Means they don't use only from their sites or apps about the previous product. They also use their reviews from many social media and test markets. Another major application of big data is to find fraud and come with a compliance for it. When it comes to security, people are not against only a few hackers but a team of experts. Big data helps to identify patterns in data that indicate frauds and aggregate large volumes of information to make regulatory reporting much faster. In simple words, big data finds a pattern in the frauds occurring all around the world, and according to that pattern it forms a data to make regulatory reporting much faster, to take action or take compliance against that fraud much faster and easier. Another major application of big data is in operational efficiency. It may not always make to the news, but it is an area in which big data is having the most impact. With it helps, we can analyze and calculate the key attribute of the product by assessing the production, consumer feedback, profits and other factors to reduce outages and anticipate future demands. Big data can also improve the process of decision making and make it in line and up to date with the current market demand. So finally, we can summarize big data as a massive amount of data which is continuously created by humans and machines and is not practically possible to fit in standard relational database or traditional database, which includes structured, semi-structured and unstructured data in it, and is used for many things like product development, to find fraud and compliance, operational efficiency by finding a simple pattern in them. So thank you all of you watching till here. Goodbye, stay safe and peace out.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's